we are going to create the quickest set of 4 brushes you have ever seen. We're going to use the soft taper brush that we made in the last lesson. We're going to set our brush color to white and our background color to black. I've got the soft brush here, and I've got it set for 4%. And we're just going to make some squiggly tapers going across the screen here. Back and forth, forth and back. And let's go down to 2% to fill in all these other little gaps. And there we go. We got a whole square full of soft squiggly lines. We're going to copy layer 1. And then we're going to go over to our hair and fur, click on the plus sign, and we go to Shape, Edit, Import, and Paste. Give that a done. Rotation is follow stroke. Just for the fun of it, we're going to do a flip X. That'll give it a little bit more texture. Rendering, I'm going to start with intense glaze. We can play with that to decide which one works best for us on a given brush. We'll go to color dynamics. And I'm just going to do my default lightness, darkness, and secondary color, 20%, 20%, and 60%. Apple Pencil, turn the opacity all the way off. Under Properties, turn off Orient to Screen, and make the maximum size 400. And we'll give this a done. Let's turn off layer 1 and see what we have here. My primary color is set to white, and my secondary color is set to a dark brown. And that's actually not bad. Let's reduce the size there. You can make a hairstyle with that. Not bad at all. All right, let's clear that. And we now have a brush. I'm going to call this hair. Do we already have one called hair? We've done so many. We do not have any called hair, so this is going to be good. Let's duplicate hair. Go to Shape, Edit, and I'm going to turn this 90 degrees. And I'll give that a done, and as you can see, that gives us a nice furry texture. It's kind of a nice soft fur. Nice soft hairy fur. Now what we're going to do is duplicate layer 1. I'm going to go up here to the magic wand, choose Gaussian blur, and let's blur this out about 5-10%. Let's go 10%. And then I'm going to duplicate that layer to brighten it up. Merge that down. We'll do a copy. I'm going to duplicate hair. That gives us hair 2. Shape, edit, import, paste. Give that a done. And a done. And yeah, that gives us a softer fur texture. Nice and smooth around the edges. If we duplicate that, or in my case, I'm going to duplicate hair again. I'm going to go into Shape, Edit, Import, Paste, and then I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. Click Done. And that gives us our 4th brush. So real quick and easy, we've made 4 brushes here. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's see. I'll start with my dumpling shape. That looks nice. Let's give it some kind of ear. Let's use hair 2. And let's go to Apple Pencil. I'm going to change the size dynamics on that. Yeah, see, now we can make that kind of a shape. And let's do this here. And do a circle one here. That's a little bit too big of a circle, I think. There we go. That looks nice. And let's go above layer 2 and give our little guy some cheeks. I think I want to use the hair 3 so it's nice and bushy. And then we're going to duplicate that and set it to multiply. And let's darken it up a little bit. We'll turn the saturation all the way down. Turn the brightness down a bit. All right. That way we can see if there's actual cheeks on there. And we'll go down one. Let's choose a nice light blue color. We'll go to our airbrushing. Let's use the hard brush. That'll be fun. That hard brush I have set for all kinds of different things. So let's move this down here. And we'll create an oval here. Duplicate, flip, put that one there. Let's go for a darker blue and a smaller brush. We'll make another oval here. Let's edit that shape so we can reshape it the way we want and get it close to the edge. Fill that in. Duplicate, flip. There we go. And then let's go really dark and put pupils in. Now you notice that I'm putting these pupils not centered on our eyes, but almost cross-eyed, and that's so that it looks like he's looking up at you. And now let's go to white. Merge that down. Then we'll give him two great big teeth here. And then we'll go to, say, pink. And go up here. And let's go up here. Reduce the size of our brush. Give him a cute pink nose. And we have a nice little rabbit. All right, so less than 10 minutes, we have not only created 4 brushes, but we've tested a couple of them to see how they work. And let's just go ahead and finish off this bunny head. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and you have a wonderful day.